Jamaica's greatest accomplishment since independence. That's the theme for this year's staging of the annual Jazz Heritage School Tour. And of course, we captured all the action to share with you on this episode of Western Roundup. So stick around. Some 12 schools across St. Anne, Trelawney, Hanover, and Clarendon welcomed the GIS team in October as the agency embarked on this year's staging of the annual GIS Heritage School Tour. The week-long activity brought the team to the St. Anne's Bay, Servite, and Brownstown primary schools, as well as the York Castle High School in St. Anne, Jacobs Well Infant, Saltmarsh Primary and Holland High Schools in Trelawney, the Bethel, Esher, and Sandy Bay primary schools in Hanover, Montego Bay Christian Academy in St. James, and in the south, Racecourse and the Alley Primary Schools in Clarendon. The tour was used to spread cultural awareness and pride among the youth, and we bring you the highlights.
Look at me. Do you know what this is?
A Jamaica flag.
What color is this one?
Green.
Green. And what color is this
Black.
one? Black. What color
Black.
is this one?
Gold.
Gold. It's a special type of yellow that we call gold. And today we are going to color the Jamaican flag. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to touch the floor. Never touch the floor. And it was raised for the first time on Independence Day. That was on August 6, 1962.
The jazz team was treated to some of the best cultural pieces the schools had to offer, including songs, drama, dances, and poems.
What wrong with me, dry foot boy? Them girl got him for Mac. And when me meet him tomorrow, the boy give me a shock. Me tell him say him auntie and him uncle say howdy. And ask him how things getting on. Him say, oh jolly. Me start feel so sorry for the poor bad lucky soul. Him come a foreign land, come catch bad foreign cold. Me think him have a bad sore throat. But as him chat go on, me find out say, is a foreign twang the boy was a put on.
Now look at twang by Louise Bennett. Me glad to see you come back, boy. But lad, you let me down. Me shame I used to till. All of me proudness drop a ground. You mean I go to America and spend 6 whole months there and come back not a piece better than how you did go, eh? Boy, you not shame. Is there come and say your tongue so long? Not even little language, boy. Not even little twang. And your sister, what work on go 1 week with American? She talks so nice now that we have to deduce to understand.
The students and teachers were also given information on the Jazz Heritage Essay Competition, which closed on November 6th.
Now, every year, the Jamaica Information Service puts on a competition, and we invite students who are 9 and 10, 11 and 12 to enter our essay competition. Now, we also have a poster competition, but that's for high schoolers. We have a photo competition, that's for the college students. But for you, we invite you to write an essay about Jamaican heritage. So the topic is Explain what you think is Jamaica's greatest accomplishment since independence.
The essay competition will be judged on relevance to the topic, originality, accuracy and analysis of research data, writing style and language skills. Secondary level students were required to use graphics or illustrations to design a poster depicting the topic Jamaica's greatest achievement over the past 60 years, while tertiary students were asked to submit a photographic interpretation on the same topic. The top performing students will be shortlisted and invited to attend an award ceremony in December, where the winners of the competitions will be announced. For further details, persons can contact the JIS at 876-926-35904 or by email at heritagephoto@gis.gov.jm, heritageposter@gis.gov.jm, or heritageessay@gis.gov.jm, as well as by visiting the website at www.gis.gov.jm. And that's all for the program today. As usual, thanks for joining us on this episode of Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send us your feedback to jismabe@gis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.